Hey you guys, welcome back to Farm Wife Life. Okay, I just want to record this really quick for two reasons. First of all, wheat harvest just started yesterday, which is July 30th. I don't know if I've ever been around or married to my husband when wheat has started in July, so remind me to ask him later on. Second thing, let's just have the record stand. I was trying to be the nice farm wife and offered my husband to bring him supper out to the field. He actually declined, so we have video proof. Now, just because my husband said he didn't want any supper doesn't mean that I'm not going to go out to the field fully prepared with snacks for a toddler. Follow me for more gourmet recipes if you're interested in meals like this for the field. Okay, now to just get everything and everyone loaded up in the car to head out to the field. My poor dog. I don't know how she fits in my back seat between those two car seats, but she's a trooper. She does well back there.
Papa's moving.
Are they moving? Is Papa getting the wheat? Daddy's coming to get you. Claire, what does Papa drive? The combine. Good job.
What are you driving? What are you and Daddy driving?
A tractor.
Hey,
Sarah. Very good. Say, I'm good. Say, driving tractor. Stand clear.
tractor go? The tractor wheels go round and round, round and round, round and round. The tractor wheels go round and round, all through the farm.
Okay, quick question.
Yes.
I forgot to ask you. Have you ever harvested wheat in July before?
I personally have never harvested wheat in July. We have at the very beginning of August. My dad has before. A lot of the other older guys have done it in July before, especially in drought years.
Okay, give me the numbers. You've done 3/4 of wheat. What's the yield looking like?
Half of a crop. Our APH is about 60 and we're half of that, so about 30-ish.
Thank you, Drought.
Yeah, we love drought. Yay, drought. Good quality though. Protein 16.5. And wheat, there's a scale for protein in hard red spring wheat where 14 is considered average. And normally below 14 they dock you. Normally above 14 they give you an extra little, like 5 cents per fifth of a point on the scale going up. This year there's no discounts or bonuses for the extra protein either, so yay.
All right, thanks.